I am Tita Joy, or mostly they call me Mama Joy. I started looking after my cousin who was 3 years old when I was 17 years old. I was working in my uncle's legal office as assistant secretary and at the same time a nanny. And then after that, I also look after my auntie's daughter until she was also 3 years old. And then after that, I had my first nephew. I basically look after him when he was 1 week old because his mom left him with my brother, and then I was his Mama Joy until now. And then aside from that, I have also looked after my cousins' children. Then I have my nephews and nieces. And until now, I'm still looking after children because I'm working in a child care. Well, my experience was really exceptional. I consider that exceptional because although I don't have my biological children of my own, God gave me a career or a profession wherein I have a direct interaction with children of different ages, of different family background. And not only that, but I had also experienced the adolescents group of different ages as well, different behavior, different attitude. So that was fantastic. And it makes me a better person actually. That's why I have a lot of patience. Well, God gave me a gift of nurturing. Well, some people they said, "Oh, you have a gift of children," because it's just smile at children, and then they will already be looking at me. And then I said, "No, that's from God. That's a gift from God." And God is real. I'm really grateful because God gave me all those wisdom, how to look after kids. I know it's not easy, but through God's guidance and wisdom, I was able to do my duties and responsibilities to look after them. That's why I'm called Mama Joy. To all the moms and women who have no biological children and yet look after other children, I can say keep up the good work. And I want to share to you these two Bible verses. In Psalm 127 and 3, children are heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from Him. Children are a gift from God, not simply the result of human effort. They are a source of joy and blessings, rather than simply a burden. Galatians 6:9 encourages us to persevere in doing good and don't give up, for we will eventually bring in a harvest of blessings. You will harvest the blessings from the fruit of your labor. So I do believe that from these two Bible verses, it will help you to look after the children even though they are not your biological children. So keep up the good work. To be a mom is not easy. It's hard. We all know that, even though I'm not a mom, but I became a mom because of other children. But being a mom also is a gift from God. So just remember that to be a mom, you should not be doing it by yourself. There is a God that's going to help you to do all what you have to do. So keep on asking God's guidance and wisdom so that we can do the tasks.